I'll make a simple breakfast. So this is the video. I'm just doing it. If you guys want me to teach you guys how to do it, just go under the video and write it down. Like, okay, you want to see the video. So this is eggs, very cheap, and French fry. Very simple, but very delicious. You see that? This is the sauce. I made this sauce. It will go with those food together. Just this sauce, man. You can make a sandwich out of this sauce because it tastes so good. You can put this sauce on top of a white rice. Like you cook a little bit of okra and put in the white rice and put this sauce on top of it. Bangy, tastes so good. So this is my eggs. This is the French fry. So if you guys want to see the video, you want to learn how I make these, so just go under the video and just write it down. I want to see the video, so I will make a video how to make those food. Okay, so thank you for watching our cuisine. Please go and subscribe. The more subscribers I have,